Aloha everyone, Sahar here, your Maui home seller with KW Island Living for today's condo quick pick. I'm in Ma'alaia today at the Lauloa Resort, and we have a ground floor oceanfront condo here on the market. Unit 103, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 950 square feet. It was listed at $625,000 and the price just dropped to $599,000. It has beautiful tile flooring, granite countertops, and new stainless steel appliances. But the main attraction here, I'm not gonna lie, is the view. Absolutely stunning. You can see the water from the living area, and then if you just step out to the lanai, you have a private gated entrance to the swimming pool, and then just right past the pool is the gorgeous ocean. You can listen to the waves crashing, watch some whales, look at some turtles, whatever you want to do out here. It's absolutely stunning. Now, this is not our listing. It's actually a fellow KW Island Living colleague, and we can represent you fully as the buyer's agent. So if you'd like to see it or if you have any questions, please give us a call. Our number is 808-436-7021. And if you know of anyone else who might be looking for a condo like this one, please share this video with them. We would really appreciate it. We hope to talk to you very soon. Aloha.